There's no I in mom. She's the one that has always put you first. Your taxi, chef, counselor, and biggest fan. Your mom is like no other. Mommy, ma, two moms, a stepmom, granny, gran, or a really special person that to you is simply known as mom. This Mother's Day is the chance to start something amazing. Say thanks, Mom, with Floral Image flowers. Vibrant, lifelike, sustainable flowers that will brighten Mom's day every day. A beautiful reminder of how much she means to you. Maintenance-free, refreshed monthly. For Mother's Day and every day, Floral Image. Everlasting flowers for everlasting love.